So hey everyone, I'm back again with another video. Today I have this Poco F7 and today I'm going to give you a review about a custom ROM about this, which is Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0 2.1.2 Simple, and this device is also known as Redmi Turbo 4 Pro Edition in China. Basically this is China based ROM, and today I'm going to give you a full review about this ROM and every single thing you need to know. Let's start with the camera. Camera is the same as the stock one and it performs amazing. Camera works fine and you do get strong integrity by default in this. Where is the integrity app? Let me check. You do get strong integrity by default, and even bootloader spoof and other features, and all the banking apps and everything is working fine. I've been using it since, like, it's been more than 2 months. I've been using this. Previously I was using simple 2.0.209 and then they just updated it to 20212. So this is the ROM. Let me take you go through everything. Now it is working at I mode, that's why it's yellowish. Everything is working fine. I have used every single thing and I have been using it since so long. Let me tell you a few things that you get here. You do get like this straight quick settings, and then you can add few more settings. Mostly things are working fine, and when it comes to wallpaper, you do get many options. Like this is the AI wallpaper that I created. This is my imaginary girl. Can you see? And the moment it is AI generated, you even get the depth option like this. Let me show you a few more customizations like this. You do get all the custom wallpapers and it feels so smooth. You can even customize it, change the clock style, clock size, and you just have to apply and then apply to both lock screen and home screen, and damn, it is live wallpaper. You can even create your own. You just have to go here, settings, personalize, and go in the wallpaper and AI dynamic wallpaper. You can create few more. You do get these wallpapers. Everything is amazing. Now let's come to the main point. BGMI 120 FPS is unlocked. Either GTA 5 works smooth in this. I play Fortnite. I don't play Free Fire Max. This was some kid in my street. He just downloaded it. And this is the full review about this ROM. Let me take you in settings first. You do get your Xiaomi account here, then device information, and then Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even I have tested both earbuds working fine. Interconnectivity works fine. I have tried casting my screen to my desktop and it was working fine. Even clipboard and other options are working fine. Even one more thing, I have one more Poco phone which is recording here, and when it comes to interconnectivity, they both are interconnected and it feels amazing. Then portable hotspot working fine. In more settings you do get NFC, Xiaomi Share. Xiaomi Share is amazing. It share files very quickly, very fastly. I love it. It's better than Quick Share. Then you do get this Xiaomi AI, but there's nothing like Xiaomi AI. You do get Gemini because it is Indian version. I have used this Xiaomi AI in some different ROMs. They are all in Chinese and there's no profit of having them. And then wallpaper customization, you do get lock screen customization. You can customize your lock screen. By the way, you do get Apple recent style. Let me show you. See the app opening speed. See, this is based on Apple Stack. This ROM feels so smooth, very smooth ROM. Let's get back to the settings. You do get home screen customization. I like app drawer, so I'm using this app drawer. You can even change number of apps on the screen. I like 5/9, so I'm using it. And here you get gesture controls, and then recent horizontal. You can switch back to vertical one and the horizontal one, the Apple style. And you can even customize them in depth detail settings. Let's get back to fingerprint working fine, face IDs, everything is working fine. Battery performance is amazing. Let me show you the battery performance. I've been using since morning, I guess. It is more than 8 hours and 46 minutes, and I played GTA 5 for hours, like more than 2 hours. I was just playing GTA 5, and it took around 28% battery, and GTA 5 was playing amazing on this 40 plus FPS. I'm not gonna fake it, but truth is 40 plus FPS it goes smooth, and I didn't use any power mode or anything else, and still has 17.5 minutes left and 43% battery. I did play BGMI as well. That's not showing here. I guess I didn't play that much. I played other things. You do get better battery backup. Few people were complaining about it that it doesn't perform that great, but it does. Primary security, and then it works fine. You can use any of these features as well. And then battery, then health and device. I'm a very phone guy. I do use phone every single day, more than 5 hours. As you can see, I use phone a lot. Let's come to Google and additional settings. You do get memory extension. I don't use it. Oh, it is turned on 12 GB. I don't really use it, but you even get active vision perception. Like it detects the environment around you and tells you use your device at higher brightness multiple times. You do get tab plus. You do get side circle to search is here, by the way. You just have to tap this button for a long, and then you can just circle anywhere and search. Circle to search is working fine on this. I haven't even turned it on. You just have to tap this navigation bar and then just search. It is working fine. I have shown you everything. Now let's get back to the gaming performance, how it performs when it comes to gaming. Let me show you a few games. Let me run Fortnite first. I mostly try PC games on this, like Fortnite or any other. I was trying to run Chinese version of Valorant, but I didn't had WeChat account, so I had to delete it. And then let me show you. I'm pausing it. Let the game load. By the way, I just want to tell you that your device does get heat little bit. It does have. By the way, I did run Antutu. Once it was gone to 21 lakh, and then it was gone to 26 lakhs. I was using 11 point version. It was mind blowing. By the way, I do suggest everyone to use a case because it does get heat. Not too much like Poco X6 Pro, but yeah, device does get heat a little bit. Here I'm going to play this Blitz Royale. Here you guys can see FPS. Higher FPS is unlocked in all the games. No matter what, all the games are higher FPS unlocked. Either you play see, it do lags sometimes in starting only. And see the FPS 60 plus 180 116, but it goes smooth to 160 because I have set it to 160 FPS. What is this? You do have Iron Man foot. कौन तोड़ रहा है भाई? Damn, this is Iron Man shit. Oh, I can literally fly. I can run fast. These are my. अरे ये क्या था? Panda is here. You guys can see how smooth it is working on this Poco F7. Where are the kids fighting? Let's go and fight. I want a sniper gun, bro. ओहो पेल दिया भाई, पहला बंदा तो पेल दिया. Another one is gone. I can see someone fighting there. कहाँ गया भाई, कहाँ गया? उड़ो 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 उड़ो. ये रहा. तू तो गया पोपटलाल. पेल दिया भाई, पेल दिया. कोई पेल दिया भाई. कहाँ से कौन मार रहा है भाई? इसको भी पेल दिया भाई. तेरा भाई सुपरस्टार है, आयरन मैन. इसको ले लूँ पहले, अपनी हेल्थ बढ़ाओ. वो आ गया देखो पूरा. उसको जाके हमें पेलना पड़ेगा. साले सारे नूब मेरे में ही आ रहे हैं क्या? वो भाई छत पे चढ़ के बैठा है. रुक तेरे को बताता हूँ. मैं भी आयरन मैन हूँ भाई. अरे क्या अपने आप मर गया क्या वो? अच्छा वो जोन से मर गया. सो दिस वाज द गेम प्ले व्हेन इट कम्स टू कौन सी गेम थी ये? भूल गया मैं. वट एवर, लेट्स गेट बैक. हाँ, इट वॉज फोर्टनाइट. Now let's play GTA 5 once. Let me run GTA 5 now, so you guys can see how it performs when it comes to GTA 5. You can use virtual controller, or if you have a good controller you can just use it Bluetooth one, and it feels amazing. You can play GTA 5 on the go anywhere you go. Game is loading. Loading time is like around 2 minutes, so I'm gonna skip it. Skip the loading time. So finally the game is loaded and you guys can see रात हो रही है अभी यहाँ पे, ठीक है. You can control camera from this as well, and this is the handle. Tap multiple time A to run. Okay. You can press Y to get into the car. बंदे को पेलना हो तो ये दबाओ. ओ सॉरी बहुत तेज़ मार दिया. और हाँ, मैं चिट कोड बताता हूँ. लेट मी शो यू द चिट कोड. Let me write here the cheat code so that you guys can know. You just have to tap 1 999 2 899 633. Sad, I forgot to press 2899 633, and then boom, you got a helicopter here. I hope the game is visible to you guys. You can press गोलियाँ मार सकते हो आप, ठीक है. यहाँ से मिसाइल चेंज करके मार सकते हो, ठीक है. ये प्रेस करके, राइट ट्रिगर प्रेस करके आप ऊपर उड़ सकते हो. दीज आर दी हैंडलिंग. सुबह होने वाली है, 1 मिनट में हो जाएगी. हम लोग भाग के सबसे ऊपर वाली छत पे चलते हैं. रुको, इसको फोड़ के दिखाता हूँ. लेट मी शो यू हाउ यू कैन ब्लास्ट दिस थिंग, दिस फ्लाइंग वन. ये गया, देखा, फोड़ दिया हमने. You can press lower and right button and अगर इसको फोड़ना चाहते हैं आप, तो एम करो उसके ऊपर और फायर कर दो. एम एंड फायर. तो आप पुलिस को भी मार सकते हैं. मैं छत पे उतर जाता हूँ. यहाँ से हम सुबह होते हुए देखेंगे. कितनी सुंदर सुबह होती है. अच्छा हाँ, FPS देखने ना. यू गाइज वांट टू सी FPS. You can just turn it on from here. Setting HUD monitor, and as you guys can see here, it shows 37 now, 34. It goes to 40 by the way. 40 प्लस ही रहता है, बट अभी मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही क्लच कर दिया. ज़्यादा लोगों को परेशान कर दिया, जिस वजह से. दिस इज़ वॉट हैपन्स व्हेन यू. बाय द वे, आई एम रनिंग एट higher resolution. If you play it at 800 and 600, it would be performing far better. Let's fly and break few more helicopters. अबे बिल्कुल सामने ही मार दिया मैंने. वो भी मर गया, मैं भी मर गया. आई होप सुबह हो जाएगी. अब हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती होंगे ना भाई. कितने पैसे माइनस हुए. सो गाइस, सुबह हो चुकी है. -5000. अब मैं आपको एक बार फिर से, यू कैन यूज़ अदर चीट कोड्स फॉर लाइक वेपन्स एंड मैनी मोर. मैं भूल गया वेपन्स वाले क्या थे. अरे अरे, leave it. So this was the gameplay when it comes to GTA 5. Let me show you BGMI. I know you guys must be waiting for the BGMI gameplay, how it performs when it comes to BGMI. By the device is heated up already. I don't have any temperature meter here, I would have shown you, but yeah, we're gonna play the BGMI now. It goes to 120 FPS smooth. When it comes to TDM, there is no match of this device, and Erangel hot drops, it goes down to 100 fps, and 100 fps is enough. I'm talking about when 50 or 60 people land at the event, but this is a new event, I haven't even played it yet. I'm talking about the previous event and previous update. So this is F7 and you are watching Tech Anusandhan. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe. Let me show you. Please like this video. Graphics settings, it is super smooth, ultra extreme and super smooth. This is some new feature. Let's see, an efficiency. Let me turn on this. Enable. Why these are enable? Disable all of them. Okay. Should I show you unranked arena funds? Because let the device cool down. Here you guys can see the FPS. It's 120, 117. Somehow I landed in the already running game. I'm not a pro gamer, by the way. अबे साले मुंह पे ही बम फोड़ दिए सालों ने. अबे हवा में ही मत पेल देना भाई, मेरे को भी एकेएम चाहिए यार. अबे भाई साला कौन सी गन यूज़ कर रहा है? पिचकारी. हाँ, एक तो पेल दिया भाई, गोली भी नहीं थी, पता नहीं कैसे पेल दिया. अरे भाई 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 कोई साथ नहीं दे रहा यार. देख लो 120 FPS कैसे स्मूथ चलती है, देख लो. दो बंदे पेल दिए और देख रहे हो. और आई एम नॉट अ प्रो प्लेयर, आई एम जस्ट अ न्यू प्लेयर, जस्ट विद द डिवाइस. एक और पेल दिया भाई. अबे भाई गोलियां ख़त्म. अबे भाई 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 अब क्या करूं, अब क्या करूं? किसी की बंदूक उठानी पड़ेगी अब हमें. अबे 12 ही गोली बची है सालो तुम्हारी तो. अबे क्या बोल रहे थे? घर में घुस क्या हो गए? साला पीछे से मारता है। रुक रुक रुक, बता दो मेरे को। नेट से तो मरेगा ही। भाई कहाँ से आया पिचकारी लेके? सो देख लो, मैंने चलते फिरते 10 बंदे तो पेल ही दिए, ठीक है। तो दिस वॉज द गेम प्ले व्हेन इट कम्स टू, ठीक है, 120। नाउ लेट्स गो टू हॉट ड्रॉप्स इन द इवेंट्स। आई नो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो रही है, पर देख लो यार, सब देख लो आप। कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी नहीं खेल के दिखाने वाला मैं। बाय द वे आई डिड ट्राइड रनिंग God of War 2018 on this. It was running fine, but there was some graphical glitch, so I just would suggest wait for few more days, let the game have update and we get a new। ये क्या बकचोदी आ गई भाई? देखिए भैया FPS कितने चल रहे हैं अभी। ये 120 लिखा तो आ रहा है, पर ये क्या दिखा रही है? ये कैसा नक्शा बन रहा है चीप सा। बाय द वे फ़ोन अब हमारा ठंडा हो चुका है। GTA 5 रन करते हैं ना, तो इट इज़ 71 GB फाइल। आई गेस दैट्स वाई इट डजेंट हीट व्हेन इट कम्स टू BGMI। हंड्रेड, what is this? 160, 190, 160. Something is wrong. Next time I'm gonna add FPS meter here. I haven't rooted this device yet, so that's why I'm not using any FPS meter. Visuals are the same. Let's go to event. I hope it is visible to you all, guys. I'm gonna get the vehicle from the way. I hope there is a vehicle. There is vehicle. Damn. अब मैं ना हॉट ड्रॉप पे चालू करूँगा वीडियो। फाइनली आई एम बैक टू द इवेंट। let me go from the back side. डैम, अबे 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 साला नीड किसने मारा ये? So this was the FPS drop. देख रहे हो कितना स्मूथ चल रहा है अब? How smooth it is. देखा आपने, स्मूथ 120 FPS था. It was, I didn't feel any lag, anything. I must try once again. Damn. रेड जोन पे उतर गया भाई मैं. भागना. You have seen this is the gameplay. इसी के साथ I should end this video. Thank you so much for watching. It's already 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, please like this video, and if you want more videos like this, please do subscribe. I'm gonna make more videos like this. And comment down if you want anything, any review, how to unlock a bootloader, how to do anything. Just comment down. Thank you so much.